Hi. Welcome to TunesKit. iOS 16 was just released. Many people trying to use the new features in iOS 16. But when the iPhone started to update, the iPhone turned into a black screen and not respond for a long time. Even when you tried to restart the iPhone, it still didn't work. If you have this problem too, don't worry. This video will show you 4 easy ways to fix your iPhone stuck on black screen without computer, and make your iPhone update to iOS 16 successfully. Part 1. Fix iPhone without computer. Method 1. Charge your iPhone. There is a problem you may not notice when you can't wait to try out the iOS new features, and that is your iPhone battery is low power. You need to make your iPhone has enough power during the process of update, so just charge your iPhone and wait for a while. Your iPhone would get back to life. But if this method not work, or you're sure your iPhone have enough power, then try the next method. Force restart iPhone. When something's wrong in iPhone, force restarting is the easiest way to fix iPhone without a computer. For iPhone XS, press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, then press and hold the side button. When the Apple logo appears, release the button, then you can see the iPhone is fixed. If this method not work, you can try the following method with a computer. Part 2. Fix iPhone with a computer. Method 1. Using iTunes. Just connect iPhone with a cable, and open the iTunes. Once recognized, then there will be a pop-up window shows on iTunes screen. Just click the restore. Then iTunes will start restore your iPhone automatically, and it will also update your iPhone. But restore iPhone will erase your data. If you haven't back up your data, and you don't want to erase your date, I'd like to introduce the TunesKit iOS system recovery, without data loss. Step 1. Connect iPhone to computer. Launch TunesKit iOS system recovery, then click the start button. Step 2. Select standard mode. Here you can see the standard mode won't cause any data loss, and ensure the device has enough power. Then click the next button. Step 3. Download firmware package. Ensure the given information is corresponding to your device, then download the firmware package. Step 5. Repair iPhone. When the download is complete, click the repair. The TunesKit iOS system recovery will start to fix your iPhone. Just make sure your device is connected to the computer, and wait several minutes, your device will be fixed. That's it. By the way, we provide a 15% discount exclusive to our YouTube fans. Just go for a try. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know what tutorials you'd like to see next in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.